Now comes Gentle Treatment, the ultimate relaxer.
The relaxer called Gentle Treatment.
The first no-lie relaxer that conditions while relaxing. Contains no sodium hydroxide for much less chance of burn and irritation than leading lie-based relaxers.
Gentle Treatment.
Patented formula conditions and relaxes in one step to repair damaged areas, flyaway fibers, and split ends. The ultimate relaxer.
All right, Gentle Treatment. So now comes Gentle Treatment. It was the Relaxer Wars. The box kit era was everybody who was anybody created a box kit to relax hair at home. And Gentle Treatment, hey, I'm not mad at him for having a patent on being able to condition the hair while relaxing it. It's kind of like saying I don't have an analogy for that. It's like saying we fix something while we break it. Kind of like that. We fix it while we break it. Don't have anything else for that one.